Hi children, good morning. I am Mehul sir. Today we will learn Unit 8. There is a poem, What's in the Mailbox? Children, do you know what is the meaning of mailbox? Okay, now I will tell you. If you ever gone to the post office, you can see outside the post office there may be red colored box. You can see in the picture now. Yes, this is the mailbox, or you can say letter box. What is the use of this letter box? Do you know, children? Okay, I will tell you. When we write anything or any kind of letter to our relatives or our friends, after writing this letter, we put that letter in an envelope, and we also write down address of the person to whom we are writing. And after that, closing all that things in an envelope, we have to deliver this letter. After pasting postal tickets, we have to deliver, or we have to post that letter or envelope into this letter box. Okay, and after that the postman will come and he will collect that letters from this letter box. You can see there's a lock. Okay, and he can the postman can take all these letters, and after reaching post office he will sort letters according to the city and address or area. And after that, the postman of the particular area, he will deliver that particular letter to the particular person according to their address. So this is the whole process. Now here you can see there is a postman. Now I will recite this poem, What's in the Mailbox? Most always, when the postman comes with letters two or three, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I am going to write some letters, though that's what I am going to do. And then my friends will answer me, and I will get letters too. So this is very simple and very small poem, children. In this poem, you can see here in the picture there is a small girl like you. Now she is very sad. Do you know, children, what is the reason behind that? She is sad because she is not getting any letter from anybody, and her parents, they are getting letters from the relatives or their friends. So here in the first four lines you can see, most always when the postman comes with letters two or three, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. So she is complaining that she is not getting any letter, and her mother and father, they are getting letters. Now what she is going to do, you can see here, I am going to write some letters, though that's what I am going to do. And in reply, what she will get, her friends, they will answer her, and she will also get letters to like her parents. So she has an idea that what she will do now, she will write some letters to her friends, and when in reply her friends will write her, she may also get some letters like her parents. So this was, children, very simple poem. Now here you can also, children, like letter to your friends, so that you can also get letter in reply from your friends. Okay, now we will move forward. Here you can see this is envelope in which we put letter, and we have to write address of the person to whom we are writing a letter on this envelope. This is the postcard, children. Again, these all are their envelope, and this is a letter box. Now here, as you all know, I think this is a postal ticket. You can see different kind of postal tickets. They are having different cost. Okay. Now we will move forward. This is the postcard, children. It is also used to send message or to convey message. Here is Antardesiya Patra. Now, children, nowadays we are using very quick means of communication or sending message or convey our message. You can see there is a mobile, laptop, and computer. So, children, do you know nowadays we can send our message or convey our message very quickly, even within a second. So, for that, what we need, I will explain you. We need computer or laptop or mobile. Not only that, we also need internet connection. After that, we need to open Google Chrome, and if you are not having your email account, you have to create your email id or email address. Okay, after that you can send email to your relatives or friends who are having email address. You just need their email address, as we need address of the particular person's house where they are living. Like that, for sending email we need their email address, and you can send them messages very quickly. Okay, so this is the quickest means of communication. Now, next there are some question answers. Number one, who does the postman bring letters for? The postman brings letters for child's mom and dad. Number two, does the child ever get a letter? No, the child never get a letter. Number three, what does the child decide to do? As we have discussed or we have seen in the poem, what does the child decide to do? He or the child decides to write a letter to her friends, so that she may also get letters in reply from her friends. Yes, this is the answer. The child decides to write letters to her friends. Now, number four, have you written letters? आपने कभी किसी को लेटर लिखा है? You can give your own answer. I have given my answer. Yes, I have written letters. Then number five, who have you written to? आपने किसको लेटर लिखा था? I have written letters to my friends. Then number six, who would you like to write to today and how? I have written my own answer. Your answer may be different from this answer. I would like to write to my mother today because tomorrow is her birthday. Now, next, number seven. Here, children, you have to read this letter carefully. Devu has written a letter to his grandfather thanking him for a birthday gift. So, the children, Devu is a boy like you, and he got a birthday gift from his grandfather. So he wants to say thank you to his grandfather, but he is living far away from him. So he has decided to write a letter to his grandfather to say him thank you. Now, through this letter, you can understand how to write a letter, or what is the format of the letter, or how to start a letter. Okay, you can see here house number 1792 Daryaganj, New Delhi. Then pin code of that area 110007. So this is the address, children. So uh, now this is the address of Devu, because here Devu is writing a letter. So here on the top, here the address of writer should be there. राइटर जो लिखने वाला है उसका एड्रेस यहाँ पर टॉप में आएगा. आफ्टर दैट देयर विल बी डेट ऑन विच यू आर राइटिंग अ लेटर. Okay, then there will be greeting words like dear grandfather or anything else you can write. Thank you for the beautiful book of Panchatantra stories. You will be happy to know that I read one story every day. So this is very small letter just to say thank you to the grandfather. Okay, so you can say this part is the body of the letter. Then closing part or ending part, you can see here with love. You can say your faithfully or your sincerely, your lovingly grandson Devu. Okay, so this is the very simple format of letter. You can see here first you have to write your own address, then date will come, after that that will be some greeting words, then body part of the or body of the letter, and then ending or closing part of the letter. Now I will show you one more example how we can write a letter. Number 8. Now write a letter to your friend telling him about your school. You can use some of these words. Now just imagine that you got an admission to a new school and you want to say to your friends or old friends about your new school who are living far away from you. So you are writing a letter and you can use these words like classroom, children, bell, blackboard, teacher, building. Okay, now I will show you. This is the address. It may be your address, house number 509, Gulabi Bagh, Delhi. Okay, then date will come. Then you can see here greeting words like dear Saurabh. To whom you can write your friend's name, dear Saurabh. Today, this is the body of the letter. Today, I am going to tell you about my school. It has a very big building. It has 1000 children and 30 classrooms. Okay, there is a blackboard in every class. There are 35 teachers. They are well qualified and teach us very nicely. There are many trees in our school and there is a big playground in my school. So this is the body of the letter. Now here ending part of the letter you can see I like my school very much, or you can say that to your friends that please reply soon. Okay, then at the end your lovingly and your name will be here. Okay, this is the format of the letter how we can write letter. Now some fun for you children, paper fun. Here we will learn how to make a envelope. Let's make an envelope and post our letter too. Here is the method. First step, take a square piece of paper as you can see here. Then number 2, fold all the four corners to make folds. You can see in the on these two. Second step, then number 3, fold two corners and paste them with a little glue. You have to paste these two corners. Then fold the third corner and paste it with glue. And you have to leave the fourth corner open. We will close this fourth corner when after we will put the letter inside it. Okay. Now write the address neatly on the envelope and fix the stamp on the right corner and put the letter inside it. Now seal or you can say close the fourth corner as well and your letter is ready to be posted to your friend. Okay children, so we have here we have learned how we can make an envelope from the square paper. Now you can see on the screen there are some people who are our helpers. They help us in our daily work. Here are some people who help us. Let us try matching. Okay. What is the work of postman? Postman brings our letters or to deliver letters. Then what is the work of cobbler? Cobbler mends our shoes. जब हमारे शूज फट जाते हैं तो ठीक करके देते हैं या नए शूज भी बना के देते हैं. Number 3, librarian works in a library. Then a driver drives a motor vehicle and a dramatist writes a play. And a teacher teaches in a school. A nurse looks after patients. A musician plays musical instruments. An astronaut travels in a spacecraft. And a clown makes people laugh. So these are some of the helpers which help us in our daily work, or we get some help in our, yeah, from them in our day-to-day life. Now here you can see there are some prepositions like at, in, on, to, over, under. Now whichever is suitable for the given blanks, you have to put them. First, number A, Rohit is blank the room. Rohit is in the room, we can say. B, my sister is blank home. My sister is at home. C, she is sitting blank the floor. She is sitting on the floor. Then D, I go to school every day. I go to school every day. E, bridge is blank the river. So the correct answer is bridge is over the river. Then F, cat is blank the table. Cat is under the table. Now at last it is your homework, children. Draw picture of a post box and color it as we have seen earlier on the screen. Picture of the post box you have to draw in your copy and you have to color. You can put red color in it. Then number 2, write a letter to your friend to invite him or her for your sister's marriage. This is very interesting work, children. You can write a letter to your friend, okay, to invite him for your sister's marriage. You have to just imagine all these things and you have to write a letter to your best friend. Okay, bye, children.